Hi, my name is Batrisyia Izzati Binti Zidhuan. My matrix number is 15 DCC10032 F1001.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Marni Syahamah binti Omar. My matrix number is 15 DCC10032 F1007.
My name is Hemylda Balqiesh Binti Abu Samad. My matrix number is 15 DCC10032 F1019.
My name is Alia Natasha Binti Norddin. My matrix number is 15 DCC22 F1037.
There are two different of state reinforcement. The first is the function of state reinforcement. The function for plain bars is length of shear reinforcement, and the function for reinforcement bar is reinforcement. The second of different is the strength of the material strength for plain. For plain steel is mild steel Fy 250 N per mm power of 3. The force for reinforcement bar is Y 410 or Fy 460 N per mm to the power of 3. Reinforcement bar is stronger because the iron is denser and stronger. The third difference is the surface for the plain bar. It has a smooth surface, and for the reinforcement bar is more patterned than the plain bar. And finally, the difference between the price of the plain bar is cheaper than the reinforcement bar because of the strength and durability achieved by the reinforcement bar.
Concrete transportation on site. Concrete is a complex material of cement, sand, concentrate, water and chemical admixture. Making of concrete is very easy, but the concrete produced by a mixer is required to transport by the placement, and which is very important. Concrete should be transported to the construction job site in a certain time before its initial setting time, and its handling may also produce segregation and loss of slump in the distance is long or time is more. Transportation of concrete mix is defined as the transferring of concrete from the mixing plant to the construction site. The main objective in transporting concrete is ensure that the water, cement, ratio, slump and concrete or consistency of concrete, workability, air content and homogeneity are not modified from their index state, and also prevent segregation and bleeding. This certain method to transporting concrete on site. First one is mortar-pen. Mortar-pen is used when the concrete is carried out a small quantity. In this method, the greater surface of concrete is exposed to drying condition and result in great loss of water, particularly in hot weather concreting. Remember that the mortar-pen should be clean anyway at the starting of concrete transportation. Second one is wheelbarrow. The wheelbarrow is used to transporting concrete at the ground level. This is another normal way of the mortar pen of transporting concrete ground level. In the transportation, distance is long of ground in rock. Wheelbarrow are provided with the pneumatic wheel to avoid segregation. The third one is crane, bucket and ropeway. A tower, crane, bucket and ropeway are the method for transporting concrete above the ground level. Crane is used to transporting concrete horizontal as well as vertical, and also in inclined way, so that it also called 2 or 3 dimension transport. In this method, transportation of concrete is fast and the placement of concrete takes place of the particular point. Crane consists of skip or bucket for containing concrete. The last one is shutter. A shutter is the adapter for transporting concrete from ground level to the lower level. It's used when the labor can reach a place of concrete due to the less space like traces. The surface should have some slope that flatter than 1 vertical to 2.5 horizontal. Concrete may get slide complete mass without any spreading of segregation.
I will explain about batching plant. A concrete plant, also known as a batch plant or batching plant, is a device that combines various ingredients to form concrete. Some of these inputs include sand, water aggregate such as rock, gravel, etc. As you can see in this slide, we have mobile concrete batching plant, portable concrete batching plant, and concrete mixer. For mobile concrete batching plant, the series mobile crushing and screening plant is the crushing equipment for rocks and construction waste. It expands the conception of primary and secondary crushing operation. For the second one, portable concrete batching plant, the portable concrete batching plant, for this kind of concrete batching plant, it can be towed different working site by a tractor or wheel loader. For the third one, concrete mixer, a concrete mixer is a machine that mixes cement, sand and aggregates and water into concrete mixture.
Plywood is one of the most widely recognized multi-purpose engineering wood-based panel product. Plywood binds resin and wood fibre sheet to form a composite material solid in panels. A typical plywood panel has field vinyl of a higher grade than the core vinyl. The function of the core layer is to increase the separation between the outer layers when the bending stress and highest dissolvent resistance to bending force. Glue laminated timber. Glulam is composed of wood lamination, bound together with durable, moisturized, resistant adhesive. The grain of all of lamination runs parallel with the length of the wood member. Fiberboard. Fiberwood board is a type of engineered wood product that is made out of wood fiber. Type of fiberboard include particle board or low density fiberboard, medium density fiberboard, and hardboard. Particle board. Particle board, also known as chipboard or low density fiberboard, is an engineered wood product manufactured from wood chip and a sanitary resin or other suitable binder, which is pressed and extruded. Particle board is often confused with oriented strand board, also known as flatboard or waterboard, a different type of fiberboard that use machined wood flakes and offer more strength.